How to check in with Expedia Itinerary. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to check in with your Expedia Itinerary. So if you're having trouble with the check-in process, don't worry, this video will guide you through some easy, simple steps to resolve the issue. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're on the home page, click on the trip section, which is located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will find your upcoming trips and itinerary. Click on your itinerary to view the detailed overview and look for the check-in option and click on it. You will then be directed to your airline's official check-in page. Enter your details and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the check-in process. And if you encounter any error message after following the simple steps, it's best to contact the Expedia customer support or reach out to the airline directly for the assistance. This is exactly how you can check in with your Expedia itinerary. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.